Today we'll talk about how can you scan to reveal on your Walmart app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. So when you click here on account, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. You keep going down here. So then you come here to pharmacy, you just click on it here on pharmacy. Then you come to next step here, just waiting to open video. Then you go down, so then you click here on scan to reveal, click on it. So then you come to next step here and you just click here on when using the app. So then it's going to take you to scan on your Walmart app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for in here. Can you enter details for Walmart prescriptions here and you click here on continue. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.